Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll be covering how to join a workspace if someone sends you an invite. Let's get started. This is the Slack workspace that we created in the last video. I'll go now. This is the email I'm using. I'll come here and I'll join now. Give me two options: one to continue with Gmail or this. Now, after creating an account, it will bring me here to the workspace. Now, this is the account that was invited. So now I can chat with this person. I taught you how to join a workspace when someone sends an invite. In the next video, we'll be covering how to edit a profile.